Assalamu Walaikum. In this video, how to convert image to outline in Photoshop. Let's begin. First of all, select on color, white color, or remove the background to object or image. Okay. Then go to select tab in bars. Convert to smart object. Then click the object, effects, blending options, and click the stroke, fill opacity 0, and see this stroke size. Click OK. That's it. Right click, convert to smart object. Again right click, raster as layer. Thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.